Hey there, today we're diving into some exciting shifts in the tech world. First up, Apple is taking a bold step by designing its own chips for AR glasses, MacBooks, and AI servers. This move towards full stack control could revolutionize how we interact with technology, blending immersive hardware with smart infrastructure. Meanwhile, Google is quietly making waves with its new implicit caching technology. Think of it as a neural network preloader, similar to how your browser caches pages. This innovation allows AI models to remember common computations, leading to faster performance and lower costs. It's a game changer for companies using AI, making it more accessible and affordable. On the AI tools front, we've got some cool new gadgets to boost your productivity. From interior AI for design ideas to durable for quick website building, these tools are here to make your life easier. Alibaba is also making headlines with its AI, which now learns to Google itself. This self-sufficient AI slashes training costs by 88%, marking a significant leap in AI efficiency. But it's not all smooth sailing. A new study warns that over-reliance on AI could harm professional perceptions, especially in fields like law and medicine. So it's worth considering the hidden costs of convenience. In the world of AI leadership, only 8% of companies are truly scaling AI. The leaders embrace risk, build cross-functional teams, enforce governance, treat data as infrastructure, and connect AI to clear business outcomes. These strategies could be the key to moving out of AI limbo. And finally, Apple is cooking up new AI-powered search features for Safari, all while navigating its antitrust battle with Google. It's a delicate balance between innovation and investigation. That's all for today. Stay tuned for more updates, and remember, in the fast-paced world of AI, staying informed is your best tool. Until next time.